How to delete all archived stories on Instagram. First of all, open the application Instagram. Make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Tap on three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Move into Archive. Right here it will show you all of the archived stories of your Instagram. If you can't find them, tap on this icon at the top. Three options will appear. Tap on Stories Archive and you'll land on this page. So the first thing you should know that you cannot actually delete all of your stories archived at once. There is no any feature or the option for it. So you have to delete all of them manually. Tap on the archive story that you want to delete. Tap on three dot at the bottom right corner. The option of delete will appear. Tap on it. Once again tap on delete. There you go, one of your story archive has been deleted successfully. Likewise, you have to delete it one by one and you'll be good to go. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to delete all of your archived stories on Instagram. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.